So today we are very, very excited to be launching our first digital innovative campaign. We are calling it GOMOKA na Go Monthly promotion. It's a 3-month promotion starting from 19th of June to 18th of September. And the whole purpose is for us to actually reward our customers for being very loyal to us and for continuing to be our esteemed customers. Okay, so we reflected on our customers, what they're currently going through. And as you all know, the current economic situation is a bit difficult for our customers. So we sat and reflected and said, we need to look at how it is that we can make it a little bit easier for our customers and deliver more value for them. So we said, what are some of the things that we can look at? We can look at enriching the bundles for our customers. Okay, so we said, okay, that's one. We can look at creating a bit of fun and gamifying it so that customers can really engage with the promo. So we said that's another important element we need to add. But thirdly, what we said is that customers have always told us that whenever we do our promotions, there is a bit of a delayed effect. You know, we do a promo, they get points, it gets into a draw, and then they get to know at the end of the week or at the end of the month. So the element of instant reward was an important element of this campaign. So then we coined the campaign, and now we are calling it the GOMOKA na Go Monthly campaign, where all our customers who will purchase any of our monthly plans, whether it's voice heavy, data only, all-in-one, 5G, whichever plan that you buy that is a monthly plan, immediately you buy the monthly plan. If you buy it on *544, we send you a link, and on that link you get to spin. If you're buying it on the app, which I would recommend that you all do, then immediately we pop up a screen for you that has the spin. You press spin the wheel, it actually goes round. Now at that point you need to start praying, because based on your luck, you could either get 10 MBs or you could get M-Pesa in terms of shillings. The reward is instant, you receive it immediately, you spin the wheel.